Alright guys, welcome back. Let's do some things. I'm gonna remove the other rack and test fit the new rack. First, I'm gonna clean the new rack and then I'm gonna put it in, test fit, take the other one out, test fit this one. Install my dome light and install the fusible link box. I don't even know if I'm gonna use the fusible link box, but I like it to be pretty, so here we go. Alright, so there it is, degreased. A little bit of surface rust, but this is a pretty thick tube, so that could do for the sanding and painting. I'm just not even gonna do it. Yeah, whatever. Still gonna outlast my life. There it is. Turns perfectly, nice and clean. Before it was all black. Now you can actually see the components. My shaft. Stroking. Get a bigger picture of this. So beautiful. So beautiful. Alright, I'm gonna move to fixing the fusible link and show you how I go about doing that. Alright, so here it is. Take the little sleeve off. You see that it's all still intact. Purchased this. I don't know how much I purchased it for. It was all the parts were like 28 bucks together. That's a size. These are 10s. These are 8s. Let's do 8 first. Oh, the 9s. No. There we go, 8. Gotta be careful not to break these tabs, that was the whole purpose. What you want to do is strip them all down and pray that it works the same. That was already done. once you do that, you'll be able to take the fuses out. Should slide out. These middle ones can come out. I don't think you use them. I'm pretty sure you don't use them. Let me get a flat. Be right back. Alright, I'm back. See these clips in here? You gotta... Well, you just gotta take the clip out and push it through. Just like that. I was able to take that one off. I'm gonna look at this one. If I can't do it, then I'm not even gonna attempt it. So this one is 80 to the right and 30 to the left. 2 wires to the right in the front, right front, and 2 wires to the right front and 1 to the left. I still have to fix this little wire. Comes off. I might use this one. Close that one out. Take this tins off. $30 has 2, $80 has 1. $80 is the bigger one, obviously. Okay. Okay. So in the back, he has a single wire. Okay. And then these both go on the right side here. Let's see. I'm gonna go grab the better looking. Alright, so I forgot to record, but we're almost done. Almost done. Got to put these connectors in, and I think I have a brand new box. Damn, I totally forgot to put this cool little boot in. Oh well. Frustrating. There you have it. Brand new box. It doesn't reflect the correct output, but I'm gonna sand that down and write the right ones in. Brand new covered little fusible link. Fixed the third wire. Kept the original terminal here. The new one had an extra power wire to something, I'm sure. I don't know what it is, but looks good. Looks like it's gonna function correctly. It's all isolated, separate, not gonna come out. And best thing is waterproof now, or weatherproof. Cool. There it is. Here's the new one. Here's the janky old one. All beat up. Taped together. See, I just taped that together. That's it. On to the...
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Alright guys, so ran into a snag, can't finish the removal of the rack. My own fault. I smashed the crown nut a little too hard so the nut won't come off. I'm gonna wait until I can get the new end links, and then I'll just reinstall everything brand new to the new rack, and so I won't have to mess with that old stuff. Right now I'm just gonna install the dome light and then call it a day. Here it is right here. Here's the old one. You can see it's the different AE style. I mean, they have those in a bunch of other new cars like the Camrys and like the 4-door sedan 89 Corollas and the just a bunch of other Toyotas, and I know for a fact it shouldn't come in this car, so I'm gonna throw that light one, the light tan one in there, and I'll be happy with that. That's it. Let's zoom in. Looks nice up there. Period correct. Not this one. This is, I've never seen this in an 86. Maybe I'm tripping, maybe it is correct, but oh well. Alright guys, that's it for this episode. Sorry I failed. Not able to pull it out. The end link, the bolt in there just keeps spinning around and around. It's because I smashed it a little too hard. It wouldn't come out, so I just like went ham on it. So the castle fittings kind of locked into it somehow. So just gonna go get me new end links. I don't know where I can find them. I checked the auto parts stores. If you guys know that part number, throw it into the comments. I really need to go get it soon. And so the outer tie rod, that's what it is. The outer tie rod is what I need. Inner, outer, let me get both. Inner, outer tie rods. I know Rock Auto has them. Maybe I'll order from them. If you guys have that part number, hit me up. Because I look on there and I see like a bunch of like tie rods, power steering, non-power steering, and all that stuff, and it just confuses me. So if you guys have the exact number for manual rack conversion, well, basically the same, but hit me up in the comments. I appreciate that. Thanks for watching, guys. Alright guys, so I just ordered some parts off of Rock Auto. Fingers crossed that they're the right parts. Hopefully they'll get here soon so I can actually put my steering rack in. I'm not gonna even attempt to try to take the casting nut off. I'm just gonna cut that stock one off because it's the ball joints messed up on that tie rod end anyways, the outer tie rod. So there's really no point in trying to save it. I'm just gonna cut it off with a cutoff wheel, and then hopefully get it all together and be able to show you guys this beautiful manual rack that I have. And that'll be another piece of the puzzle. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, tell your homies, and I appreciate all you guys who've been watching. Yeah, take it easy.